How to inspect elements on Android. As always almost, there are many different ways to get the job done. In this video though, I just wanted to show you the best way to inspect elements on Android. And in my opinion, the best way to do that is by using the Kiwi browser. Let us dive right into it. To inspect elements on an Android device, first of all, open up Google Play Store, then search for Kiwi browser. In my case here, it already says open, but in your case, if it's not installed yet, it will say install. So tap on that, and once it is installed, you can either open it up from here, or you can simply open it up from here as well, of course. So I'm simply going to tap on it. Then type in the web page that you would like to inspect. In our case, we will open up my domain mushitoots.com. And once it has fully loaded, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the three vertical dot icon, scroll down a bit, and then choose Developer Tools. And just like that, you will have the regular developer tools directly on your Android device. This is super awesome because like this you can not only inspect the elements of a website, but you can also edit them in the very same fashion that you could do on your PC or Mac. So here on the left side I also have my domain open, and as you surely know, if you right click on a page on a Mac or a PC, you can simply go to inspect the elements. And you would essentially get exactly the same thing as we have now on our Android device. And this, ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, is by far the best way to inspect elements on Android. Simply install the Kiwi browser, it will take you maybe a minute or two, then open a web page up, click on the three vertical dots item in the upper right corner of the screen, choose Developer Tools, and you're ready to go. Now, if this video solved your problem, please don't be shy and smash the like button and subscribe. Have a great one, talk to you soon guys, bye.